drummers, I'm Sam Adato, and I established Sam Adato's Drum Shop in 1993, but I've been in the business for almost 30 years. I have repaired and refurbished hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of snare drums, tom-toms, and drum sets, and hardware. I can talk to you one-on-one about any problems you may have concerning your drums or hardware. All right, now, if you're seeing this and you're not on the website, go to samadatosdrums.com for details about the live tech support and the examples I'm going to show you about this feature right now. All right, see ya. Problem with your bass drum pedal. For instance, if there's any extra play where the beater tightens into the cam, or you're not getting the speed or smoothness or power that you think you should be getting out of your pedal. I know all of the adjustments depending on the brand. Every brand has a little, basically they're all the same, but there's little differences. I can show you different settings on to how to adjust the throw, the spring tension, or how much of the beater shaft you want in or out to achieve whatever you're trying to achieve. Also methods of getting, if your pedal is making noise or squeaking, I can show you how to get rid of all that. I'll make your bass drum pedal work at its optimum efficiency. I can show you how to do it. If you've ever had, all right drummers, looking forward to talking to you live one-on-one via Skype. Now all first-time customers, you will receive a free Sam Adato t-shirt. Now I like vintage things, and this shirt represents the address from the old San Francisco shop, but you'll get a brand new shirt with the new Eugene, Oregon location. I hope to talk to y'all soon.